Welcome aboard the Peoplemover, presented by I'm Warren 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. Absolute best way to see tomorrow. But the stars, they're ever lots to see. Spacecraft to monsters. There's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
Next station is Tomorrowland Urban Sky and Smart Trade. Tracks for 2, 3, and Red Line.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Mr. Tom Morrow, please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you. Please attend clear.